Dylan Thompson, Chase Motorsports, Paducah, Kentucky, chasecoach.com on a cold fall Monday morning. Hope your day is off to a great start. It is cold here in Paducah. But I've got a super unique trailer to show you. It's a 2016 model Wildside, which are custom built down in the Blue Ridge Mountains, Blue Ridge, Georgia. 2016 Wildside, 47-foot ramp-over trailer. Now, you're probably wondering, what is the use? What was this built for? This trailer was built for a Jeep manufacturer or manufactures custom parts like lift kits, bumpers, stuff like that for Jeeps. They used it as a display trailer to load up a couple rock crawlers or Jeeps and take them. So it's got ramp overs inside of it. It's got a big awning system that comes with it. I don't think we have the canvas, but we can get the dimensions and get a hold of the manufacturer that made the awning system and definitely get that ordered for you if you'd like. But 47 foot, so it's 50 foot overall length with the generator box up there on the tongue. 47 foot of actual box, that's including the lounge. It's got a gooseneck hitch on it, dual hydraulic landing gear in the front. It is air ride and air brakes, as you can see, the glad hand fittings, 2 slides. So 1 slide on the driver's side, 1 on the passenger side. This trailer was only used a couple of times. Very, very little use, and it shows. It looks brand new. Again, dual 20,000-pound air ride axles, storage between each wheel box. And on the back, it's got a big ramp door. Now, super neat how they put in a man door. So if you need to go in the back of the trailer and you don't want to open, the whole door up, you can just open the man door up and access it that way. LED lighting on the side. You can see all the brackets for the awning system. So the awning runs from the very end of the trailer all the way to behind the slide. So I'm going to say it's about 40 foot. Yeah, 39, 40 foot of awning. All the awning rails, everything is in there on the wall. The only thing, again, I couldn't find was the canvas. I'm going to say this gentleman that owned this trailer kept it because it had his logos and stuff all over it, but something that we can probably get a hold of or at least get the dimensions. 12.5 Onan generator up in the generator box. It does have air conditioning for the little lounge area. Kingdom in-motion satellite. And the generator's got 20 hours on it, maybe 21 hours, I think. So, again, only used a couple of times. To duplicate this trailer new, if you called Wildside, I'm going to say they would tell you 2 to 3 years out and probably, I'm going to guess $300,000, just a guess. But, again, it's a tube steel, so a steel frame with aluminum skin and aluminum trim. Super good quality. They build very custom trailers, and the work is just really, really, really slick on it. So that's the outside. Let me open up the few compartment doors, and then we'll take a little spin through the interior. All right, so got everything opened up. Both slide outs in the lounge area. The lounge is air conditioned. I think I mentioned that earlier, but the lounge is like 8 foot by 8 foot. But when the slides go out, you have a full 8 foot by 8 foot. It's got an onboard tank for the diesel generator, stainless holding tanks, so stainless fresh, stainless black and gray. I'm going to say, just guessing, like 100 gallons of fresh and 75 black, maybe, or 75 gray, maybe 50 gallons black. Onboard air compressor. I'll reiterate, the work from Wildside is so clean, so nice. Fitting down here, air chuck fitting that goes to the air compressor, some outlets. Check out the ramp over system. And this trailer looks brand new, folks, brand new. Okay, so I'll have to look at my specs, but I think the total ramp over length was around, let's see here, 35, 36 foot, I believe. It's got some storage in the ramp overs. That's a safety, so when you raise the door up, you can connect that just in case something gave loose, but you've got a Warren 5,000-pound winch that lifts the door up. Again, there's all the brackets up there for the awning system. More storage here. underneath. So this thing can be used for a multitude of things. I mean, trucks, rock crawlers, buggies, tractor pulling guys. I think this would be a good one for y'all too. More storage under the ramp overs, as you can see. And again, I mean, it looks like nothing's ever been put inside of them. Technicraft, all the Technicraft cabinets down here, the toolboxes, another setup here, all your light switches, generator 21 hours, stereo system with speakers inside this area, and then inside the lounge as well. Little fridge, sliding glass doors, so you can see these slide open. So if you were retailing or vending from the side of the trailer, the glass doors are awesome. 8,000 pound Warn with an 80-foot cable on it, so you can stretch that cord or that cable all the way back and out. Let's go inside the lounge area. Rubber coin floor, which I love. Just very, very clean, everything about it. This is an electric jackknife sofa, so sleeps one person super comfortable. I laid down on it. I think 2 people could sleep on it. Then over here, huge bunk beds. So this one on the bottom's like, they're both 80 inches long, but the one on the bottom's like 38 or 39 inches wide. And I think the top one's around 30 inches, so 80-inch long bunks. And I don't even think I mentioned yet, full bath. So shower, toilet, little stainless vanity there. How about that? Again, this is a 2016 Wildside trailer, 47 foot long, 50 foot including the generator box on the front. Air conditioning in the lounge area with the heat pump option, so to do AC and heat up here in the lounge. With ramp overs in it, multi different uses for this trailer, but it was built new for a very popular manufacturer of off-road Jeep parts. Again, they built bumpers and lift kits and stuff like that. I've got all the dimensions on the website, chasecoach.com. We've got the overall length, the height, the length of the ramp overs. I even done the length of like the angled part and then the flat part. 20,000 dual 20,000 pound air ride axles, air brakes. You will need at minimum like a little sport chassis truck to pull it. And in my opinion, you would want an air brake sport chassis truck. That way you can, use the air to do the air brakes on this. Really a little semi would even be better. I mean, this is a heavy trailer. Something I did forget was this little piece bridges. It hooks in there and goes over to here. So it gives you the full length of the ramp over. I believe that's it. A little different than we normally sell. This is one of the first trailers like this I've had, but the tractor pull industry is huge, and I feel like getting bigger by the day. So let us know if you have any questions. Check out the full online photo album at chasecoach.com, and hope to hear from you. Appreciate you watching and tuning in. Share our channel with a buddy, and hit that subscribe button for us. It really helps us out. Dylan Thompson, Chase Motorsports, Coach and Trailer Sales, Paducah, Kentucky. Thanks again.